Dear children, now let us solve the LBA of the chapter Unit 3 Pair of linear equations in two variables. MCQ questions. First question. If the lines drawn for the pair of linear equation a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals 0 are coincident, then the correct relation among the following is. The coincident lines means they are having infinite number of solutions. The relation is a1 by a2 equals b1 by b2 equals c1 by c2. If the pair of linear equation are coincident, line of pair of linear equation are coincident, they are having infinitely many solutions, and the coefficient relation is a1 by a2 equals b1 by b2 equals c1 by c2. Then the second question, if the lines drawn for the pair of linear equations a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals 0 are intersecting, then the correct relation among the following is. Here they are intersecting lines. Intersecting lines means they are having only one solution. Then the relation is a1 by a2 is not equals to b1 by b2. a1 by a2 is not equals to b1 by b2. Third question, in the pair of linear equation a1x b1y plus c1 equals 0 and a2x plus b2y c2 equals 0, if a1 by a2 is not equals to b1 by b2, then the equation have unique solution. Here the options are equation do not have any solution. If a1 by a2 is not equals to b1 by b2, equations have unique solution. Then fourth one, if the pair of linear equations a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals 0 have unique solution, then the correct relation among the following is. Here solution is unique means a1 by a2 is not equals to b1 by b2. Next, the lines representing the equation 2x plus 3y minus 9 equals 0 and 4x plus 6y minus 18 equals 0 are. Here it is about the lines, and here we have to check whether they are intersecting or whether they are parallel, whether they are perpendicular, whether they are coincident. Here we have to check the coefficient. The equations are 2x plus 3y minus 9 equals 0 and 4x plus 6y minus 18 equals 0. Then you take a1, b1, c1. These are a2, b2, c2. Or otherwise you can take. Let us write the equations. 2x plus 3y minus 9 equals 0. 2x plus 3y minus 9 equals 0. And the other equation is 4x plus 6y minus 18 equals 0. Here a1 is 2. b1 is 3, c1 is minus 9. Here a2 is 4, b2 is 6, c2 is minus 8. These are a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2. Now let us verify a1 by a2. a1 by a2 is 2 by 4. 2 by 4 equals 2 ones are 2 twos are 1 by 2. Then b1 by b2. b1 by b2 equals 3 by 6 equals 1 by 2. Then c1 by c2 equals minus 9 by minus 18 Again 9 ones are 9 twos are 1 by 2. Here you got A1 by A2 equals B1 by B2 equals C1 by C2. A1 by A2 equals B1 by B2 equals C1 by C2. So the lines are having infinitely many solutions and they are coincident lines. If A1 by A2 equals B1 by B2 equals C1 by C2, the lines are coincident lines. Question number 6, same type of question. The lines representing the equations x plus 2y minus 4 equals 0 and 2x plus 4y minus 12 equals 0. Here the equations are x plus 2y minus 4 equals 0 and the other equation is 2x plus 4y minus 12 equals 0. This is A1 1, B1 2 and C1 minus 4. These are A1, B1, C1. A1 1, B1 2, C1 minus 4. Here A2 is 2, B2 is 4 and C2 is minus 12. Then find A1 by A2. A1 by A2 equals 1 by 2. 1 by 2. B1 by B2 2 by 4. 2 by 4. Again 2 ones are 2 twos are equals 1 by 2. Then C1 by C2 is minus 4 by minus 12. C1 by C2 equals minus 4 by minus 12. Minus 4 by minus 12. Here you got A1 by A2 1 by 2. B1 by 2 also 2 by 4 which is equals to 1 by 2. Minus 4 by minus 12. C1 by C2. 4 ones are 4 threes are 1 by 3. Here you got A1 by A2 equals B1 by B2 not equals to C1 by C2. You got A1 by A2 equals B1 by B2 not equals to C1 by C2. So here the pair of linear equations are not having any solution. No solution. No solution means they are parallel lines. Option B is the answer. Parallel lines. Question number 7. The pair of linear equations 2x minus 5y plus 4 equals 0 and 2x plus y minus 8 equals 0 has here exactly two solution, infinitely many solution, unique solution, no solution. These are the options. Now let us solve it. Whatever it may be, we have to find out A1 by A2, B1 by B2 and C1 by C2. Here A1 by A2, B1 by B2, C1 by C2. Directly you can write it. A1 by A2. A1 by A2 equals 2 by 2 which is equals to 1 by 1, 1. Next B1 by B2. B1 by B2 is minus 5 by coefficient of y here 1. Minus 5 by 1 equals minus 5 only, or you can write minus 5 by 1. This minus 5 by 1 and 1 are not equal. So you can have here A1 by A2 not equals to B1 by B2. A1 by A2 not equals to B1 by B2 means no solution. A1 by A2 not equals to B1 by B2 means unique solution. Only one solution. Option C is the answer. Next question. Question number 8. The lines represented by the pair of linear equation x minus 2y equals 0, 3x plus 4y minus 20 equals 0 are. Again the options are here: intersecting lines, perpendicular to each other, parallel lines, coincident lines. Again we have to verify A1 by A2, B1 by B2, C1 by C2. Now you take the values here. A1 by A2 means 1 by 3. B1 by B2 means minus 2 by 4. C1 by C2 means here C is not there, 0. 0 by minus 20. Then you write A1 by A2. A1 by A2 is here 1. 1 by 3. 1 by 3. 1 by 3. B1 by B2 is minus 2 by 4. Minus 2 by 4. Coefficient of y in both the equation is equals to minus 1 by 2. These two are not equal. Means A1 by A2 not equals to B1 by B2. Here as these two are different, you can directly write unique solution, means they are intersecting lines. Then what is the answer? Intersecting lines. Question number 9. If the pair of linear equations x plus 2y minus 4 and 2x plus 4y minus 12 are represented in a graph, they are, again here, intersecting line, perpendicular to each other, parallel lines, coincident lines. Find A1 by A2, B1 by B2 and C1 by C2. Directly you can get here. Coefficient of x is here 1, 1 by 2. You got A1 by A2 equals 1 by 2. Then B1 by B2, coefficient of y, you got B1 by B2 equals 2 by 4. 2 by 4. That is also 1 by 2. Next C1 by C2. Minus 4 by minus 12. C1 by C2 minus 4 by minus 12. You got 1 by 3. 1 by 3. So you got A1 by A2 equals B1 by B2 not equals to C1 by C2. If A1 by A2 equals B1 by B2 not equals to C1 by C2, they are parallel lines. No solution for them. They are parallel lines. Let us take the next question. Question number 10. The lines represented by the pair of linear equation x minus y equals 8 and 3x minus 3y equals 16 are. Here the C are in the RHS, so you can write it as it is. Now here coefficient of 1 is x is 1, coefficient of y is 1. So 1 by 3 and minus 1 by minus 3 and 8 by 16 we have to find out. A1 by A2 1 by 3, B1 by B2, again it is minus 1 by minus 3, C1 by C2, 8 by 16, 8, 4 2s are 4 3s are, you got 2 by 3. Here this is minus 1 by minus 3 is equals to 1 by 3. These two are same. First one and second one are same. Third one is different. A1 by A2 equals B1 by B2 not equals to C1 by C2. In that case, the equations are not having any solution. The line representing them are parallel lines. So write lines are parallel lines as they are having no solution, and A1 by A2 equals B1 by B2 not equals to C1 by C2. Then you take the next question, 11th question. What is that question? If a pair of linear equations is inconsistent, then the lines represented by them are. Inconsistent means no solution. Inconsistent means the pair of linear equation is not having any solution, no solution. No solution means they are parallel lines. The lines are parallel lines. Then the answer is option C. Inconsistent means no solution. The lines are parallel lines. Then you take, that is the case is a1 by a2 equals b1 by b2 not equals to c1 by c2. Then you take the 12th question. If the lines represented by the pair of linear equation x plus 2y equals 3 and 2x plus 4y equals k are coincident lines, then the value of k is. If the lines are coincident lines, then a1 by a2 equals b1 by b2 equals c1 by c2. That is, here coefficient of x is 1, a1 is 1, 1 by 2. a1 by a2 is 1 by 2. b1 by b2 also 1 by 2. And c1 by c2 must be 1 by 2. So you write a1 by a2 equals b1 by b2 equals c1 by c2 if they are coincident lines. a1 by a2 means 1 by 2 equals 2 by 4 equals 3 by k. 3 by k, take this relation, 2 by 4 equals 3 by k, do the cross multiplication, 2 into k equals 2k equals 3 into 4, you can cancel 2 1s are 2 2s are, so k equals what, 3 into 2, 6. Then what is the answer? Option B is the answer, k equals 6. Question number 13. If the lines represented by the pair of linear equations 3x plus 2ky equals 2 and 2x plus 5y plus 1 equals 0 are parallel, then the value of k is. Here again we have to find out a1 by a2, b1 by b2, c1 by c2. If the lines are parallel means a1 by a2 equals b1 by b2 not equals to c1 by c2. So you take the relation a1 by a2 equals b1 by b2 not equals to c1 by c2. Here 3 by 2, a1 by a2 is 3 by 2 equals 2k by 5 equals 2k by 5, and no need of taking this one because not equals to is there. Then do the cross multiplication, 3 into 5 equals 2k into 2. 3 into 5 is 15, 15 equals 4k, that is 4k equals 15, k equals 4 by 15. K equals 15 by 4. What is the value of k? K value is 15 by 4. Option C is the answer. Question number 14. The pair of linear equations representing coincident lines among the following is. Here coincident means a1 by a2 equals b1 by b2 equals c1 by c2, means the coefficients of each equation must be multiplied by the same number. Here x minus 2y equals 0 is there. Here 3x plus 4y equals 20 is there. Here 2x plus 3y equals 9. 4x plus 6y equals 18 is there. 2 2s are, 3 2s are, 9 2s are. So you will get the same ratio. a1 by a2 equals b1 by b2 equals c1 by c2. Here 2 by 4, 1 by 2. 3 by 6, 1 by 2. 9 by 18 also 1 by 2. So you can have this relation. You can observe here, this is 1 by 2. 2 by 4 is also 1 by 2. But 4 by 12 is 1 by 3. Here 1 by 1, 1 by minus 1, 8 by 4. You will not get the same relation. So what is the answer? All the terms of the first equation are multiplied by the same number 2, 2, 2, 2. So 2 2s are 3 2s are 9 2s are. So here you can have the ratio A1 by A2 equals B1 by B2 equals C1 by C2. So if the lines are coincident, infinite number of solutions are there, and each term of the first equations are multiplied by the same number to have the same ratio A1 by A2, B1 by B2, C1 by C2, which are equals to each other. Then 15th question, the incorrect statement with respect to the lines represented by the pair of linear equations among the following is. Here we have to read each statement. If the lines are parallel, then the equations have no solution. It is correct, because if the lines are parallel, equations have no solution. And the ratio is A1 by A2 equals B1 by B2, not equals to C1 by C2. Second statement, if the lines are perpendicular to each other, then the equation have no solution. If the lines are perpendicular means they becomes the intersecting lines, there is one solution. Next, C, if the lines are coincident, then the equation have infinitely many solutions. This statement is also correct. If the lines are intersecting, then the equation have unique solution. This statement is also correct. Here, which one is wrong? Here we said that if the lines are perpendicular to each other, equation have no solution, but they becomes intersecting lines. They must have one solution. If the lines are perpendicular to each other, then the equation becomes the intersecting lines and the equation have one solution. Therefore, which is the wrong statement here? This is the incorrect statement. Then what is the answer? Then the answer is this one. Incorrect statement is this one. Next you take 16th question. The values of x and y which satisfies the equation 2x plus 3y plus 16 are. Here the given equation is linear equation in two variable. Only one equation is given. You know that linear equations in two variable is having infinitely many solutions. Here which one becomes the solution? Means we have to find the values of x and y out of the given values. Here x equals 5, y equals 2 is there. X equals 5 means it becomes 2 into 5 plus 3 into 2. 2 5 is a 10. 10 plus 6 equals 16. So first one satisfies. 2 into x means 2 5 is a 10. 3 into y means 3 2 is a 6. 10 plus 6 is 16. Next, here you got the answer. What is the answer? X equals 5, y equals 2. If you observe this one, second one, you can try it. X equals 2 means 2 2s are 4, y equals 5 means 3 5s are 15. We will get 4 plus 15 which is not equals to 16. 4 plus 15 is 19. So this is not the answer. And next, x equals minus 5, y equals minus 2. 2 into minus 5 is 10. 3 into minus 2 is 6. That is minus 5 minus 6. 2 into minus 5 is minus 10. 2 into 3 into minus 2 is minus 6. By adding this, you will get minus 16. So this is also not the answer, not the solution. Next, for this one, 2 into minus 5 is minus 10. And 3 into 6, 2 is 6. Minus 10 plus 6, you will get minus 4. So here you got this answer. No need of verifying the others. Only one satisfies the equation. So the answer is x equals 5 and y equals 2, because 2 5s are 10. 3 plus 3 2s are 6. 10 plus 6 becomes 16. Now let us take 1 mark question. Second main, answer the following questions. 1 mark question. Here 17 question number 17. Write the standard form of a pair of linear equation with variables x and y. a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals 0. This is the standard form of a pair of linear equation. Question number 18. How many solutions does the pair of linear equations in two variables have if they are inconsistent? If the pair of linear equations in two variables are inconsistent, they have no solution, means zero solution. Right? No solutions. Inconsistent means no solution. Or in the bracket you write zero solutions. You can write this as the answer. Then you take the next question. 19 question. How many solutions does the pair of linear equation a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals 0 have if a1 by a2 not equals to b1 by b2? One solution or unique solution. If a1 by a2 is not equals to b1 by b2, number of solutions 1, or one solution or unique solution. Right? One solution, or you write unique solution. Then question number 20. How many solutions does the pair of linear equations in two variables have if the lines represented by them are coincident? If the lines represented by the pair of linear equations in two variables are coincident, number of solutions are infinite number of solutions. What is the answer? Infinite number of solutions. Infinite number of solutions. Then you take question number 21. The perimeter of a rectangle having length L units and breadth B units is 32 meter. Form a linear equation in two variables for this statement. Here, perimeter of the rectangle having length L units, and then what is the formula for the perimeter of the rectangle? Perimeter of the rectangle is equals to P is equals to 2 into L plus B, which is equals to 32 meter. That if you take L equals x and B equals y, then you can write 2 into x plus y equals 32, or you can write 2L plus 2B minus 32 equals 0. If L equals x and B equals y, then you can write 2x plus 2y minus 32 equals 0. This is the linear equation of the given relation. That is, if the perimeter of the rectangle with length L and breadth B is 32 meter, means that is 2L plus 2B minus 32 equals 0, or 2x plus 2y minus 32 equals 0 if you take L equals x and B equals y. Question number 22. In a class, the number of boys x is 1 more than twice the number of girls y. Form a linear equation in two variables for this statement. Number of boys x is 1 more, means plus 1. 1 more than what? twice the number of girls, that is 2y plus 1. X equals 2y plus 1. We can write it as x minus 2y minus 1 equals 0. Here the number of boys x is equals to 1 more than the twice the number of girls, that is 1 more than 2y. You can write this in the standard form of the linear equation into variable x minus 2y minus 1 equals 0. Then you take the question number 23. If the lines represented by the equations x plus 2y minus 4 equals 0 and ax plus by minus 12 equals 0 are coincident, then find the value of a and b. Here the given equation is x plus 2y minus 4 equals 0 and the other equation is ax plus by minus 12 equals 0. They are coincident. Means a1 by a2 equals b1 by b2 equals c1 by c2. Here 4 is there. 4 3s are 12. 4 3s are 12. So you multiply x by 3, that becomes 3x. 2 by 3, that is 2 into 3 becomes 6. So first equation is x plus 2y minus 4 equals 0. X means 1x. So it is a1. 2y is there. b1 is 2 and c1 is minus 4. Here this is a is a2, b is b2 and minus 12 is c2. You know that a1 by a2 equals b1 by b2 equals c1 by c2 if the lines are coincident. Then you write a1 by a2 is 1 by a. 1 by a equals b1 by b2 is 2 by b equals minus 4 by minus 12. So here you are going to get 1 by 3. Then take 1 by a is equals to 1 by 3. Therefore you will get a equals 3. Then you take 2 by b equals 1 by 3. You will get b equals 1 into b is b and 2 into 3 is 6. Or otherwise directly you can have the value of ab. 4 3s are 12 is there. 2 3s are 6 means b equals 6 and 1 3s are 3, that is a equals 3. That also you can write, but this is the actual method and this is the shortcut method. Question number 24. If the lines represented by the equations 4x plus py plus 8 equals 0 and 4x plus 4y plus 2 equals 0 are parallel, then find the value of p. If the pair of linear equations are not having any solution, then if the lines represented by the pair of linear equations are parallel, the relations of their coefficient is a1 by a2 equals b1 by b2 not equals to c1 by c2. Here you take a1 is 4, b1 is p, c1 is 8 and a2 is 4, b2 is 4, c2 is 2. Now take the relation a1 by a2 equals b1 by b2 not equals to c1 by c2. Now you take these two relation, that is a1 is 4, a2 is 4. Write 4 by 4 equals b1 is p, b2 is 4. Then you cancel this So you got P equals 4. 4 by 4 is equals to P by 4. By cancelling 4 on the denominator, you will get P equals 4. Then you take the next question. How many solutions does the pair of linear equations x plus 2y minus 4 equals 0 and 3x plus 2y minus 5 equals 0 have? Now let us find out a1 by a2, b1 by b2 and c1 by c2. Here this is 1x plus 2y minus 4. 1 is a1, 2 is b1, minus 4 is c1. Here 3 is a2 and 2 is b2 and minus 5 is c2. Here to find the number of solution, one solution or no solution or infinite number of solution, we have to find out a1 by a2. Find a1 by a2. a1 by a2 equals 1 by 3. Then b1 by b2. b1 by b2 is equals to 2 by 2, which is equals to 1 by 1. You got this is not equals to this one. Therefore, you write a1 by a2 not equals to b1 by b2. Then how many solution? One solution or unique solution. If a1 by a2 is not equals to b1 by b2, how many solutions are there? One solution. One solution. Or you can write unique solution. Unique solution. How many solution does the given pair of linear equations in two variable is having? Only one solution. Next, question number 26. What is that question? How many solutions does the pair of linear equation 2x plus 3y minus 9 equals 0 and 4x plus 6y minus 18 equals 0 have? Again we have to find out a1 by a2, b1 by b2, c1 by c2. a1 by a2. Before that, note down the value of a1, b1, c1 and a2, b2, c2. This is a1, a1 2, b1 3, c1 minus 3. Here a1, a2 4, b2 6, c2 minus 8. Then find a1 by a2. a1 by a2 is 2 by 4. 2 by 4 equals 2 1s are 2 2s are 1 by 2. Next b1 by b2. b1 by b2 is 3 by 6. 3 1s are 3 2s are 1 by 2. Next c1 by c2. Minus 9 by minus 18. Minus 9 by minus 18. Again you got 1 by 2. You got that a1 by a2 equals b1 by b2 equals c1 by c2. Then what is the answer? Infinite number of solutions. What is the answer? Infinite number of solutions. Infinite number of solutions. As write the answer, infinite solutions. The next one, 27. Question number 27. How many solutions does the pair of linear equation in two variables have if the lines represented by them are intersecting? Intersecting lines are having unique solution, one solution. a1 by a2 not equals to b1 by b2 and they are having only one solution. One solution, or you can write unique solution. Then question number 28. How many solutions does the pair of linear equations 2x minus 3y plus 4 equals 0 and 3x plus 5y plus 8 equals 0 have. Here this is A1, this is B1, this is C1. A1 is 2, B1 is minus 3, C1 is 4. Here A2 3, B2 5, C2 8. Find A1 by A2, B1 by B2 and C1 by C2. Find A1 by A2. A1 by A2 is equals to 2 by 3. Then B1 by B2 equals minus 3 by 5. Minus 3 by 5. Here these two are different. So you got A1 by A2 not equals to, you got A1 by A2 not equals to B1 by B2. Then how many solutions? Unique solution. Write the answer. Unique solution or one solution. Again you got one solution or unique solution. Then you take the next question. Question number 29. How many solutions does the pair of linear equation 2x plus 3y 2x plus 3y minus 9 equals 0 and 3x minus 2y plus 6 equals 0 have? Again you find A1 by A2, B1 by B2 and C1 by C2. A1 by A2 is 2 by 3. B1 by B2 is 3 by minus 2. 3 by minus 2. These two are not equal. So you got A1 by A2 not equals to B1 by B2. How many solution? One solution or unique solution. Write the answer. One solution or unique solution.